Hello everybody. How you guys doing today? So today is Monday, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to do the position and point. And we're going to make a circle. Okay, we're going to make a 50-inch diameter. We're going to make a 40-inch and 30-inch diameter. Okay, and we're going to put the hole through the circle. Okay, we're going to make a 24 hole. Okay, so total. And if you guys like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And if you know somebody that want to learn the Mastercam, how to program the basics, please let them know and share the video. And without further ado, guys, let's go to our Mastercam 9 and start how to do that now. Now let's go from here, go to main menu, and go ahead and click F9 here, select F9, and go ahead and select create and rectangle. We're gonna use 1 point here. Go ahead and select 60 by 60, and then we're gonna click OK here. And we're going to put an origin and go ahead and click escape, alt F1. Go back to 1 point again. We're going to make a 50 by 50. Then we're going to click OK here. We're going to put again in the middle. We're going to click escape. Okay, from here we're going to make a 50-inch diameter. We're going to make 40-inch and the 30-inch diameter. Okay. Go to back to main menu. Go ahead and click create, and we're going to go to arc right here and select on focal point diameter. Now, right here is a enter diameter, right? Go ahead and put 50 in here and click enter. And we want to put it in the middle. So go ahead and put an origin and click escape. To go back to focal point diameter again, we're going to put 40 and put enter. We're going to put it in the middle again and click escape. And we'll do one more here. Go ahead and put 30 and click enter. We're going to put it in the middle again. That's how it looks. See, that's all 1, 2, 3 right there. Now we're going to put point and position. Okay, we're going to put right here, here, and here. So all around, right? We have 4 here, 4 corners. We're gonna do all 4, so total of 24 holes. Okay. Now let's go to our main menu and go ahead and click on create. Gonna select on point and then select on position. We got 1 right here, 2 here, and 3 here. Okay. Start from in the middle right here. 1, 2, and 3. The bottom right here. 1, 2, and 3. Got one more right here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we have to make another 4 line on this corner here to the middle. Okay, we got 4 corners here we have to do. So we have to make a line right here, 4 corner line. Okay, let's go over there and show you how to do that. Go ahead and click and create, and we're gonna click on drafting, and we're gonna click on witness. Okay, so we're gonna click on origin right here for stuff from the middle to this corner here. Click on that. Go back to origin again. Gonna click on this line right here. Go back to origin again. Gonna make this line right here. Back to origin again, and the last one right here. Okay, click escape. Now we have to put a point right here on this right here. 1, 2, 3. So all 4 corners. To do that, we have to make the break line. We got to do the break line. Okay. Now to do that, we got to go back to main menu, and then we're gonna go to modify, and then we're gonna click on break. Okay, we're gonna break this line right here. Okay. So you select draft line. You're gonna break the line right here, the line right here, here, and here. Okay. Now click done. Okay, we got to go back to main menu, and we're gonna go to create and point and position. We're gonna click right here. Okay, we're gonna click right here, intersection. 1, 2, 3. Do this again right here. 1, 2, and 3. Do this one right here. 1, 2, and 3. 1. You gotta do the intersection. 1, okay, 2, and 3. So we got 24 total, right? So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, now we're gonna go over here to delete some line. Okay, we gotta delete some line. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then this box right here, that line right there. Okay, now we have this all point and position ready to drill. Okay, now let's go to our main menu, and we're gonna go to toolpath, and we're gonna select drill, and then we select manual. Okay, so we start from this middle right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And click done. Click escape. Go and click done here. Okay. Go and go to our library right here. Go ahead and right click on it and get a tool from our library. And the tool we're going to use here is 162 tool number. Go and scroll down until you find 53 by 64, which is the tool number 162. It's right here, 53 by 64 drill. Go and click OK. And right here we say tool number 1 right here, 50 by 64. Feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate, we're going to leave it alone right here. Spindle speed, we're going to change to 1,000. Okay, then we're going to turn the coolant on. Okay, and this section right here, we're just going to go drill. We're going to put drill on it. Okay. Then on the top simple drill, you're going to select the depth right here. And then we're going to select the clean right here, 2.0. Then select on absolute, right? And the depth, you're going to put all the way through negative 0.75. Okay, and then select OK. That's how it looks right there. And then right here, we're going to go to contour. We're going to cut it all the way out on this right here, this rectangle right here. Go ahead and click on it. Highlight all around. Go ahead and click done. This is our tool library again. Go ahead and right click. Get a tool from our library. Now this time we're going to use a 239, which is a half-inch flat end mill. Go and scroll down until you find 239, which is right here. A half-inch flat end mill. Go and select that and click OK. Set right here, tool number 2, half-inch flat. Feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. We're going to go ahead and put 8.0. Okay. And then we're going to turn the spindle speed right here to 2,000. Then the coolant, go ahead and turn it on. And this section right here, we're going to say cutting out. So say cutting out. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to top right here say contour parameter, which we already select clean already. And the depth is going to go all the way through negative 0.75. Okay. And then on right here is a composition type. We're going to use wear. And then we're going to cut from the left side. Tip composition, we're going to use center. Okay. Then we're going to select OK. That's how it looks. Now let's go to operation. Go ahead and select all and verify that. Go ahead and execute. That's just how it looks on the drill parts. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. And please like and share the video for people that need to learn and want to learn. Okay. And without anything else, that's all I have for tonight, guys. And I hope you guys like the video and share. And you guys have a great night. Bye-bye.